All right, you are welcome. All right, you are welcome. All right. You are welcome. All right. Good evening, patients. Good evening, Victoria. Good evening, Samson. Good evening, Amolara. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. All right. So, without wasting much of our time, as we promised, we are going to make sure we start at exactly 9 p.m. So that we can cover a reasonable uh, amount out of the content. Once again, good evening from my own end here. And I also want us to charge others to start joining. So I want us to charge others that are joining us now. Let's tell others to join. Don't be too stingy. If you know you have any educator that can benefit out of this class, you can as well share with them. You can share with them. Just copy the link and then share the link with them. Let's all of us grow together. Let's move from the four wall of classroom to become a technologically inclined educators. So let me put it in that way. That's the only thing we can do for ourselves. There are many educators outside there that are looking for this kind of opportunity, and there are many that are using thousands of naira, dollars to learn some of these things we are doing for ourselves for free. So it is better we try to share this with them. A sharing alone can save one from from paying thousands of naira to another person. So we can do well by sharing the link with others. So once again, good evening, everyone. And without wasting much of our time, I want us to start the. I want us to start without wasting much of our time. Okay. So let's try to call others to join now so that we don't. All right, as we are coming in, you can just try to do a self-introduction. Let us know you. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. You can just drop that in the comment section just to engage ourselves. Just let us know your name and where you are joining us from. You can add your expectation to this. Let's know what is your expectation. What are your expectation tonight? Your name, and your expectation tonight. I can see good evening. Okubanjo Tolulope. Okay, that's nice. Asisa Bolanle, thank you. Elin from Ijebode, thank you. Olajide, thank you. Oshupa, thank you from Lagos. So let's just in the comment section, let's meet ourselves. Tell us your name and where you are joining from. Onojobi from Ijebode, thank you. Kodri, thank you. Motunrayo, thank you. Topa is saying good evening. All right, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oshupa from Ijebode, you are all welcome. 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 All right, so we are good to go now. Yes, I can see, Doctor. That name is not Yoruba. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't allow you to talk. If not, I would have allowed you to just pronounce it for us. Oshupe. Okay, thank you. Not Oshupa, I understand now. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's my wonderful doctor from Osun State. Dr. Yusuf, thank you very much for joining. Awonisi Taiwo, thank you from Ishara for joining us. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive into this so that we can get something reasonable from ourselves tonight. Let me say it is my pleasure to welcome all of you to today's practical class. And as for you and myself too, we know for many years, education has relied heavily on manual processing. Or like, for instance, now, if you are a lecturer joining us, and then you have like 40 project students, you can imagine all of them lining up before you, submitting their file every day. You know what it takes. You are going to spend countless hours in reading the project and every other thing. What if there is a way you can ask the student to submit their project online? You will be looking at the projects, and they too, as students, they can also make every necessary correction you are doing on that on a real time. Or as an educator that want to collaborate with other educators elsewhere, probably not within the country, and you felt, oh, can we work together on this document? We are working together on a project, or we are working together on a research, and you want to come up with a write-up. You are going to write it using your Microsoft document to type and do everything. Once you are done, you send it to the person. Can you check? Is it okay now? Can you add your input? After that person added his or her input and he sent the document back to you, you also look at it and you check it and you send the document back to that person. Probably at the point of exchanging the document between yourself, at the point of exchanging the document, there was a little mix-up, and you couldn't know the original, the latest document, and unfortunately, it is time for submission. Unfortunately for you, you are submitting the whole version of the document, and before you realize, it has already got to the reviewer end, where you'll be thinking, oh, how do I go about this? We submitted a wrong document. Of course, with automation, we can move from manual to automation. Sometimes you may be thinking using technology, sending mails and some other things like that can save you from this kind of embarrassment. But peradventure, because we are human and error can, can happen at any point in time. And that is the reason why I think Google has done many things for us, and other technological companies has also, do a lot of things for us in terms of automation. So we are now living in an era where technology is transforming every aspect of education. Of course, the classroom is no longer limited to four walls. Learning is even no longer confined to a specific time or place. As we are talking now, some may be sleeping, some may be on their bed, and they are learning. So through digital technology and automation, educators can simply, routine tasks, improve collaboration, provide instant feedback, and securely store educational resources, and even engage learner from anywhere you are in the world. And that is what will take us to the first class tonight, where we'll be looking at using Google Document as a collaborative platform that we can work together on a document with our colleagues. So if I may ask, what do you know about Google Documents? What do you know about Google Documents? If you know anything, can you tell me in the comment? What do you know about Google Documents? Can you tell me in the comments? Don't forget, we need to manage our time. What do you know about Google Documents? What do you know about Google Documents? Can we type that in the comment section? So what do you know about Google Documents? Can we type that in the comments? So because of our time, Google Documents is a web-based word processing application developed by Google that allow users to create, edit, format, store, share documents online. And it is part of Google Workspace. It is part of Google Workspace. It is formerly known as G Suite. And it enables multiple users to collaborate on the same document in a real time from any device connected to the internet. Once we are connected to internet, 1,000 people can start working together on a document. So Google Documents automatically save your work to Google Drive, and it's going to reduce the risk of losing documents due to probably power outage or device failure, or my system got damaged and this and that. Once you know your login details, you will definitely get your document back. So tonight, I'm going to walk you through, and let me try to share my screen from here. Don't forget that as you are joining the class, just try to make sure you also allow others to benefit by sharing this class with others. So if you can see my screen, if you can see my screen, can you type yes in the comments? If you can see my screen, can you type yes in the comments? If you can see my screen, can you type yes in the comments? Oh, thank you, Blessing. Thank you, Adeboye. Thank you. So if you can see my screen, as we are now, don't forget that Google Doc or Google Document is one of the over 30 Google applications that can also use to collaborate among ourselves. So if I want to use Google Doc for instance now, if I go to the top right corner of my system where I have Google Apps, if I click it and I look for Google Doc, can we see that now? So let me go to the Google Doc. I think at this point, I have to quickly stop sharing so that you can see the next environment where I am. Let me stop sharing so that you can see the next environment. So I've just pressed Google Doc now, and I'm going to the Google Doc. If you can see my Google Doc, can you type yes in the comments? If you can see my Google Doc, can you type yes in the comments? Can you type? Let me see what you see. Can you type what you see in the comments? Type what you can see in the comments. Can you type what you can see in the comments? Let me know what you are seeing on your screen in the comments. Just let me know what you can see on the screen in the comment section. Let me know what you can see in the comment section. Okay, recent document, blank document. Thank you very much. Thank you, Biola. All right, thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So as it is now, I'm assuming I'm doing. I'm standing here as a role of a supervisor or as a role of a group leader. I'm putting myself here now as a supervisor. If I'm a supervisor and I have many students that are working under me as a supervisor, and I want to be checking their work real time without looking for them, I'm working on it. They're also working on it. I'm also putting myself in the shoe of a group leader. Probably we have been given an assignment. And I have about 6 or 7 members under me. And I don't want to do the work alone. I want all of them to do the work along with me. I want all of us to be on the same page, working on the same document. So what I will do is that after selecting my Google Doc, I will click this blank document. Click the plus sign. Click the plus sign. All right. I've clicked the plus sign now. I click the plus sign. Okay. I will come here and title my document. What did I want to title this? Okay, let me say I want to title this as Google assignment. Let me call this Google assignment. Probably we have been given an assignment called Google assignment. So with that, I have been able to name the document as Google assignment. Now, once I'm done with naming this now, I have to add all the members that I want us to work on the document together. So I will come under share here. And I'll be putting their mails here one by one. So for my colleagues, I think I've got some people that want to work along with me tonight, and I'm sure they are ready for me tonight. So please don't fall my hand, though. Thousands of people are watching us. So I already have their mails, the mail of everyone that I want to use now. So I want all of us to work on this document together. So I'll be typing their name here one after the other. Okay, I've typed in all their mail. Can you see that? I've typed in all their mail. Can you see? I've typed in all their mails. Can you see their mail? So if your mail is here, be ready to get notification in your mail and do as I say from here. So I have it now. The next thing is for me to share this document with all of them. So I'm going to send them. What role did I want them to perform here? Because I want all of us to start working on this document together. I will make them an editor. If I just want them to see the document, I will just call them, viewer. So, but I want them to be an editor so that they can also work on the document with me. So I'm going to send it to them. Oh, I can also put notification for them if I want to, if I wish. So they all have access to the document now. I can also make this open here now. Because I've restricted this now, it is only those people that got notification on this that can work on this document. So I want all of them. What is this document all about? If you have got notification already, what is this document all about? This document is about this class. And I want them to tell me what is their task. So we are actually working on a practical guide to digital teaching, virtual instructional engagement, educational research, and artificial intelligence. So I'll come back here so that I can put title on this. So I've done that now. So let me see others. So we can see someone is working. When you are working on the document, others that are working on the document, those of you that have got notification for the mail to work on the document now, make sure you come down to work on the document. Maybe let me just help you. Number 1, because we already have number 2, number 3. So work under your own. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Let it get to your turn. Number 8, number 9, number 10. So only work under your own. Number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, number 20, number 21, number 22. Okay, I think we stop on number 21. So let's see how they'll be working now. So just make sure you work under your own number. Work under your own number. So can you tell me, can you work under your own number now? As you can see all of them are working. First thing is that type your name and let's see your document. Type in your name and let's see your documents now. You can see Oyebolu is working. Oyebolu is number 5, working on our own work. Okay. Oyewole is working on our own. Okubanjo is working on our own. And all of us, we are working on the same document together. We are working on the same document together. Let's see what we can come up with. You can see, as all of them are typing, I can see all of them. So there's no way you will lie that, sir, I work on the document, probably because of network. All of us, we are working on the document together. If you wish to work on the document with us, you can drop your mail in the chat box. If you wish to work on the document with us, you can drop your mail in the comment section. I can also add you so that you can work with us. If you wish to work on the document with us, you have an information that can assist us. What I'll just do is that I will give you number, then you tell us something about the topic we are working on. Yes, Catherine just said, I just joined this group. I don't understand what we are doing. Of course, we are working on Google Documents, how we can use that as a collaborative tools to work with ourselves. So this class is actually virtual instructional engagement. Virtual instructional engagement. What are those tools can we use to engage ourselves, to engage our audience that is different from what we do in the 4 walls of classroom? So if you wish to work on the document with us and you are just joining us online, just drop your mail in the comment section. Then I will add you to this and you can also work with us. No. It's not going to interfere with each other. Is that possible without interfering with this program? No. As you can see, they are all working on the document. They are all working on the document on their own. Everybody know where they were working on. Yes, don't just tell us my topic is Google Slide. Tell us what you have. Tell us your information. No, just give us your information. Just copy and paste all the information you have for us. No link, no link. Just copy and paste your information. Oyewole Ayomide, tell us, what are your information? What information do you get for us? And what title are you working on? I can see Oyebolu telling us that she's working on Google Slide. So what is the information you have for us under Google Slide? So can we just copy and paste? Yes, thank you. Thank you. That is Moyosore. All right, Moyosore has just give us information of our own work, and as we can see, she's working on it now. Can we see others too? Okay, Yes, I can see another person. This is Tolulope. She has just given us, unlike Tolulope now, I can edit what Tolulope is doing. You didn't need all this. Tolulope don't need all this. I can help her to remove as supervisor. I can help her to remove some things from the work. I can help her. You can see as all of them are working on their own. Yes, unlike this person now, we don't need all this. I can remove this. We don't need all of this. Just tell us your task work. Your task work is application of Canva. So I can remove all these. I can remove all this. Let me check again. So we can see all of us, we are working on the same document without having any interference with each other. So my own is just to check as supervisor and be looking at what they were working on, if it is okay or not. So ladies and gentlemen, once we are done working on the document, the next I can do now is I can download this document. I can save it as a file. I can download this as a file. So I can come here and download this as a Word, as a file, and download it as a Microsoft Word document. So I have successfully downloaded all of us, 20 of us, all what we are working on, I successfully download it on my system. I can also share the link now. If the document is okay, once I'm okay with the document, I can open this document and share with anyone. But everyone that will be sharing this with, that they don't have access to this, they will only be seeing it as a viewer. They will only be seeing this as a viewer. So I can share with my students in my class. Let me share with all of them. I can share with them, all of them. Okay, let me share with all of them here now. So that is the document all of us were working on. I can also put it in the comment for others to see. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how to make use of Google Doc. That's how to make use of Google Doc. So let's move up to another place. Let's use another Google application. Let's use another Google application. So I will also be sharing my screen again. I'm done with Google Doc. Done with Google Doc. Okay. So can we go to Google Sheets? Google Sheets. Can we go to Google Sheets? On Google Sheet as well. On Google Sheet as well. On Google Sheet as well. Probably you are working on an Excel document. You are working on an Excel document and you feel like, I am working on an Excel document and I don't want to do this work alone. We were 20 that's supposed to put information on this. And I want all the 20 of us to be working on the document. Then you make use of Google what? Google Sheet, which is like an Excel. So here now we want to do calculation. So let me go and look for my Google Sheet. This is Google Sheets. Can you see Google Sheet now? I've opened my Google Sheet successfully. But you cannot see it again because I've left that environment. Let me stop sharing so that you can see that environment where I'll be working now. So I've clicked my Google Sheet right from the Google application and I'm already on my Google Sheet as well. I will use the same set of students. Can you see the Google Sheet now? So what can I call this? Can I call this course? So let me call this, again, I have to rename this. So let me say mathematics course. Of course, all of you know me as mathematics teacher. So mathematics course for all SSTD students. You can call them whatever things you want to call them. So of course, I want all of them to work here. Just tell me your scores. Of course, you know your number. Make sure once I added you to this, just give me only the scores you want for your student. So I will come here and I will add all of them. So where are they? I think I still have the mail. Oh, I still have the mail, so I can go back and get all the mails again. Copy and come back to the document and paste all the mail here. So again, I'll put notification now. Please tell me your student score. Your best student, tell me your best students in mathematics score. Just tell me your best student in mathematics score. So make sure you use only your number. Make sure you use only your number. So I'm waiting for them. Let's see if they will work here now. Let's see if they will work here now. So this is the serial number. This is serial number. And this is where you put your score. So this is score. I want them to work. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can see they are all inputting their scores. So it's even possible as a school, maybe you want to upload scores. Instead of all of us will be dragging ourselves. Hey, once we are done with the sheet, let me have it. Oh, no. All what you just have to do, pack everything online and say, okay, every one of you start working on this document together and let's see. You can see as all of them were putting all the scores. So I can come here and say whatever scores they have here, divide it by 2, average. I can say divide it by 2 by just saying equals to B1 divided by 2. So I want to divide whatever scores they get here. I just want to divide their scores by 2. Equals to B1 to be divided by 2. Okay. Let them continue. Okay, let them continue inputting their scores. Can we have scores? This is for mathematics score. Give me maths. So give me English too. Let me have English. Let me have civic. Generate scores for civic. Generate scores for computer. So, and here now, I want to find the average. I want to find the average of their score. So that will be equals to average. So that's what I need. So I want to find the average of the score from B2 to B2 to E2. So I'm working on it, and all of them they were also working on their scores. So I can just drag it down up to number 20, and this will be giving me the average. Can you see now? So all of us, we are working on the same document, 20 of us. So it's very easy for us to work on Google Sheets as a collaborative tools as an educator. So we are done with that. We are done with Google Sheets. If you have any question, can you put your questions in the comment section? If you also wish to join us in working on this, you can drop your mail. Drop your mail in the comment section. If you wish to work with us, you can drop your mail in the comment section. So with this, we don't need to start bothering ourselves. Hey, please, once you are done with the document, send the document back to me. Now I'm done with the document. Along the line, while we are exchanging the document, something may get missing. Probably the last person did not save. But as for this, there is no point. All of us, we are working on it as a real data. So as you can see, okay, I can decide that I want to name the name of the teacher. Name of the teacher. So teacher, can you put your name here for us? Let's see your name. Teacher, can you type your name? Let me see your name. Type your name on that column G. At the front of where you are working, can you type your name there? Can you type your name there? Thank you, Halima. Halima is working on, that is school 4. She's working on school 3. Moyosade is working on school what? She's working on school 6. Can we type our name? Our name? Can we type our name? So with this, I will definitely know, oh, there is a school that is not working on this document. What is going on? Why am I not getting this school working on this? Okay, what is wrong with manager in company so? I've not seen her data. She has not report. She has not told me anything. What exactly is going on in that branch? Olayinka, thank you. Moyosele, thank you. Okubanjo, thank you. Others too, I'm also waiting for you. Just let us know your name. Type your name. Oh, who is this 100? This is good, though. So that is that on Google what? Google Sheets. So if you have any questions on Google Sheets, can you put your questions in the comment section? Where to put score? Yes, I'll tell you that. Yes. Adetunji is asking, can this be used for project supervision? Of course. All what you just have to do as a project supervisor is to make sure you have a sheet for each of the students. Get the mail of the student, and then you initiate the document, just like the way we started it the other time. I will repeat that for the sake of Adetunji question. She said, can this be useful for project supervision? Yes, it can be useful for project supervision. Let me stop sharing, for instance, and I want to act as a supervisor. I can come here now. Okay, let me share my screen again and go back to that my mail. So Dr. Adetunji, this is what you just do inside your mail. You want to use it for your project student, you are going to make use of Google Doc. So make use of Google Doc. I'm repeating Google Doc again now. Then what else do you have to do? Let me stop sharing from here so that you can see the environment where I'm going. Share again. I want to act as a supervisor. Dr. Adetunji, can you drop your mail for me? You are my student now. You are my supervisor. I am your supervisor. Can you drop your mail for me? Drop your mail in the comment section. Can you drop your mail in the comment section? Can you drop your mail in the comment section? Or let me assume one of these people is my project supervisee. One of these people is my project supervisee. I think I know one that is active here. One of this student is my project supervisee. Okay. So let me say this is my project supervisee, and I want her to work on this document for me. So I want her to work on this document for me. So let me come back here now. This is my project supervisor now, and I call this project student. I can call this project student. So project student, and I want to start now. So project student now. Let me share it. Alimo, yes. Let me see Alimo as my project supervisor. Alimo, you are my project supervisor. Can you tell me your chapter 1? Alimo, paste your chapter 1 here for me. Paste your chapter 1 here for me. So I want Alimo to work on this document for me. So Alimo, we are working on this document together. So chapter 1. Let me centralize this. Sorry. Chapter 1. So can she work on it? Introduction. You can see the person now working on it now. Introduction. So introduction is 1.1. 1.1. Can you start working? Can you type something for me, Alima? So she's my project supervisor. Can you type something for me? under introduction. Probably we are talking about social media. What is social media? And I want to start with my dependent variable. So I want to start with my dependent variable. So start as so let me see what he writes. Okay, she has just talked about social media as an online platform where, and me as a supervisor, I don't like how she starts. I can erase this and write for her. A rapid advancement of information and communication technology has transformed the way people communicate, interact, learn, and conduct business across the world. One of the major significant developments, this is what I want you to do for me, and I don't want you to do anything again. So I can also do a lot of things on this. I can insert, I can do anything on it. I can text anything on this. So you can see that it can also work for you, you and your supervisee, and both of you will be working on the same document. So can we move on to the next one? Can we move on to the next one? So let's move on to the next one, which is PowerPoint. Those are those things we use. We have worked on Microsoft Documents, which we call Google Doc. We have worked on Microsoft Excel, which stands as Google Sheet. Now let's work on PowerPoint. Let us assume we want to work on a PowerPoint. We want to work on a PowerPoint. So let me take you back to PowerPoint. So for PowerPoint now, who will tell me what is PowerPoint? What can PowerPoint stand for? What can PowerPoint stand for? In the comments, what can PowerPoint stand for? PowerPoint now, what can it stand for? PowerPoint, what can PowerPoint stand for? Google Slide, thank you. Google Slide. It stands as Google Slide. Thank you, Samson. So we want to use Google Slide, not PowerPoint design. No. So Google Slide now, the members of my group, don't forget that as I want to go to Google Slide now, I want all of you to pick slide according to your number. You are picking the slide according to your number. So I can go back. Let me share my screen now. Share screen. I'm sharing my screen now. I'm going to use the same thing. Go to slide. Among the Google application, slide. This is slide. This is Google Slide. Can you see Google Slide? So I'm going to the Google Slide now. That's Google Slide. So if you cannot see that again, I have to go and stop sharing, and I will share this again so that you can see my Google Slide. But I'm sure you know how I got there. So this is Google Slide now. So Google Slide, that's my Google Slide. But this time around, I want all my students or all the members of my group to work with me. So we want to do a very nice PowerPoint presentation, and I want the 20 of us to work with me. So I will title my presentation. So what can I title my presentation? Can someone give me a very good topic for our presentation in the comment section? What can we title our presentation? What can we title our presentation? I want a comment in the comment section. What can we title our presentation? 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 Okay, someone said Google Slide, but I want something named. something nice. We can say virtual instructional engagement. So what you just do is that in your own slide, tell me what is it called? One engagement tools, and do a design for me on it. Engagement tools. Tell me engagement tools. Don't forget that I've just named this. It is only me that is working on it now. Others cannot see this. So, and I want to invite others to work on this document with me. So I'll come here and share with them. So are we all ready? Don't forget, only work on your own slide. Work on your slide alone. Work on your slide according to your number. Make sure your numbers on the list is the slide you are working on. Oh. Don't go and work on another person's slide. So I'm inviting all of them to work with me now. So work on the number of your own slide. Work on the number of your own slide. So let me create more slide now. More slide. So all of you, just make sure you work only on your own slide. Let's see how they will work. I can see, yes, I can see someone. Make sure you work on your own slide, oh. Don't work on another person's slide, oh. Don't work on another person's slide. Slide 1 belongs to Yemi, oh. Slide 2 belongs to Efions, oh. Slide 3 belongs to Oyewole. Slide 4 belongs to Funke. Slide 5 belongs to Abiola. So let's see those that can work on their slide. You can see they've started working on their own slide, and we are working on this together. Let me give them like 5 minutes. Let's see what they will come up with their own slide. I'll tell you, if you wish to join us this, you can drop your mail. I can add you. You can drop your mail. I can add you. So I'm waiting for all of you. I'm waiting for all of you. So I'm waiting. Waiting. I'm waiting for all of you. So let's see what they have come up with. You can see it started taking shape. Yes, someone is talking importance of technology in education. Let's see slide 1, virtual instructional engagement. Slide 2, okay, virtual instructional engagement. That is Oyewole. This person, who is this person? Olayinka. Okay, let's see. Slide 5 is working, saying something. Play with method of teaching. And who is the person? Who is the person? That's Abiola. Slide 6, importance of technology in education. Who is the person? Who is the person? Let's see the person. That's Oyebolu. Okay, who again? Who is this working on slide CD? Afusat. Julie Dump. Okay. Who else again is doing something nice? Someone is working here. Okay. Someone is working on slide 10. Slide 10. Oshomobola. Okay. A practical guide, you can see. Someone is working on slide 11. Hey, this thing is too much. So if you are here, you cannot Google sites. Let's increase this character. Increase the character. Let's see others. Slide 15. Falola. Okay. Can you see that? So who else again? Slide 20. Okay, let me add one slide more. I think someone is working with slide 21. So they are working fine on this. And before we know, we are done with almost all the engagement tools. So while they are working on it, if you have any question, can you drop your question here? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? So where do we go down from here? We have just 10 more minutes from here. I would like to edit my slide. Go ahead and edit your slide. It's your slide. You have everything to edit. You have everything to edit your slide. You have everything to edit your slide. So you can edit your slide. What about adding picture? Yes, you can add anything you want to add. Yes. Whatever you want to add on it, you can add. If you have any question, you can do that. You can add any question. Let's say I want to help them to work on this. I can come here. I'll just say insert. See image here, doctor. So I can put image in this one. I can upload from computer. So if I upload from computer, it will root my system. And I can put the pictures of this thing there. Can you see? So you can put image, you can add anything on it. I can decide to reduce the image and make it smaller. You can see. So it takes pictures, it takes anything. So before you know, all of us have already worked on the slide together. So all of us have worked on that together. So we have few minutes more, and then the few minutes we have more, I will just use that to show us how we can customize our link. All right, thank you. Who is this? This is good. Perfect. Project kickoff presentation. Perfect. That's nice. Somebody is working here. Someone is also working here. I get it is this person. Oh, this is also nice. I can know whoever that is working on this, and I will know all of them. So we can see that, yes, somebody is working on this. How this person not go and I hope it's not that this person just went to go and copy and paste. Well, whichever way, once you can get a good result, what we are after is that all of us are working on this. So you are going to borrow me 10 minutes more because I want to show you how you can customize your link. The next thing now is, how can you customize your link? Of course, if I come and tell you that I want to share this with you now, and I say, okay, oh, see the link here now. I'll say share with anyone. Share with anyone. If I say share it with anyone, this is the link. So if I copy this link and I put this link in the comment section, I know all of you, you will not like this. You will not like the way it is. If someone, you just open your phone and you see someone sending this kind of a thing to you, and you say, what kind of things is this? Because the link did not have name, it did not have anything. So the next thing we are going to do now is to see how we can customize our link and how we can also generate QR code for our link. I'm sure you know the meaning of QR code. QR code is a picture that you can scan that will take you to the domain of your of that link. It will take you directly to the domain of that link. So let's see how we can customize link. Of course, seeing this link now, I'm coming back with the customized one now. So if I want to customize, I will go to, let me stop sharing. Okay, or let me just give you time. If you are ready to for the next class, which is customizing your link and creating QR code, can you type yes? Can you type yes in the comment section? If you want this link, if you want us to take it to the level that we change this link to a customized one and generate a QR code, can you type yes? Okay, Alima. So who else again? Customized link, thank you. Customized link, yes, customized link. So because all these that we have done now, seeing this alone, we make people look as if, who is this one again? What kind of link is this? The link that doesn't have direction, it doesn't have anything. Can this person just do something meaningful? So for you to do something meaningful, that will show that, oh, this link, this is this now. So I'm going to share my screen now. You go to your browser. So I will go to my browser, new browser. So let me share my link so that you see how I'll be navigating from one place to another. So share my screen. Let me go to that last. Okay. I have to go to home page. Okay, new tab. I think I see one new tab here. So let me use this new tab. So can you see that new tab? This is where I'll be working now. So this is where I'll be working now. I want to customize my link. So the best way to customize your link, you can go to BIT. There are also other websites where you can customize link. But tonight I'll be talking about bit.ly. So once I go in there, you sign up. Of course, you sign up. I've signed up already. So you can try to sign up. So I've signed up already. So let's just sign up. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Let me confirm if you can see my screen. Okay. So I want to customize that link that I copy now to virtual engagement. Just a virtual engagement, PPT, PowerPoint, virtual engagement PowerPoint. So after going to BIT, just go to BIT and you sign up. I'll just come here and say create, and it will be asking me what things did I want to create. Did I want to shorten a link? Did I want to create a QR code, or did I want to build a landing page? What I want to do first is to create a shorten link. So I'll click shorten link and I'll paste my link here. You can see that long link that I clicked the other time. Can you see now? And I will come here and put it. I want to customize it now. So I will call that, I'm going to call this virtual engagement. Virtual engagement PowerPoint. Don't forget it is PowerPoint. And I will create that. Create link. So within 1 minute, I've been able to customize that link. So come and see the difference now. See the difference? Let me put it in the comment section for you to see. And it will still be the same thing. Can you see that now? Can you check the comment section and compare between this and the first one that I sent to you? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Between this and what I sent to you earlier, which one is the best? So I've customized the link. Which one is the best? Can you tell me the best in the comment section? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Oh, this new one. Thank you, Badejo. Now, that is that about customizing link. Let us assume I want to make sure that I want to create QR code. You know, sometimes when you go to party or you go to an event, oh, you know, all these people from Lekki, they will just tell you, can you just scan the QR code? Oh, you ask them that, how do I register? It's going to scan the QR code. And they will turn that QR code as if it's another thing, bigger thing that nobody can ever do. It is free. You can do it on your own too, as an educator. You can do that on your own. Once you are done doing everything you want to do, you can customize your link. So how do you customize your link? You go to that same bit.ly, go and copy your link. So I want to go and copy that link back now. The link to that slide now. The link to that slide, which I've just copied the link to the slide. I'll come to my bit.ly account and I'll click the plus sign. This time around, I'm not shorting the link. I'm creating QR code. Can you see that now? So I will paste the QR code here. So once I paste the QR code, it will automatically generate the QR code. Once I paste the link, it will automatically generate the QR code that I want for me. Can you see the QR code? So I can design my QR code now. It will ask me that what kind of color did I want? Can you tell me in the comments, what color do you want us to use? What color do you want us to use? The highest color is what I will pick. What color do you want us to use for the QR code? What color do you want us to use? Choose your color. Choose your color. Let's use our color. What color do you want to use? Some say purple, green, blue. I've seen two purple, okay. Orange, green, blue, green. Green is now 4. Someone said black, green is 5, blue is 4, green. It's like we are all Nigerians. So, okay, they want us to use green. So let's pick green. Let's pick green. Let's pick green. So this is what we want to use. Can you see that it has changed to green? So I will now click create your code. Can you see that? The code has come. I will now do what? I will now download. Can you see? I've been able to download this successfully. So if you want let me see if I can add it in the comment section. Can it go for comment section? I'm not sure. Okay, let me try to copy. If I can copy it. If I can copy it in the comment section, copy the code. Let's see if it can get into the comment section. I'm sorry, comment can only take text. So for those of us that are on our WhatsApp group, can you say, let me give you the link, the picture. I'll go to where I am and I'll put it here. So it becomes something you can just scan. Or if you are there, just scan. Just take your phone and scan. Just take your phone and scan. Just take your phone and scan. Scan it the way it is. And you will get exactly what we are doing here. So, ladies and gentlemen, so far so good. We've been able to explore 3 virtual instructional engagement tools that we can as well use to engage our audience or participant. We have worked on Google Doc, we have worked on Google Sheet, we have worked on Google Slide, and finally we have seen how we can customize our link and how we can also generate our QR code. All these that we have done, after the code is being downloaded, where will it save? Yes, it will definitely save under your download. It will come under your download. It will come under your download. It will come under your download. So this is how far we can go tonight. We are continuing our class on Saturday as well, 9 p.m. That will be the Masterclass 3. That will be the Masterclass 3. If you love to be in our next, the 3rd class, I will explore you to quickly help us to fill this form without wasting much of our time. Help us to fill this form. You help us to fill this form. If you want to be in our next class, fill this form. I'm going to put the form here. Okay, let me customize the form I even want to use, because I could record that I'm not sure if I customize it. Feedback. Let me call it feedback. Let me just generate link for that. Feedback form. Take your time to fill the feedback form. Masterclass feedback form. Masterclass feedback form. Let me generate the link. Masterclass. Okay, you can see it is. Oh, they said this already exists. Oh, okay, let me search for it. Oh, it's like I've generated a link for this before. Let me see. I think I've generated a link for this before. I've generated a link for this. Where is it? Why now? I'm coming. I've generated a link for this before, so I have to look for it. It's here. Pathway. Or did I use QR code? Okay, if I'm not seeing that, let me just say, let me get it here. Let me just copy the link. So check the comment section and help us to fill the feedback form. Just click on it and fill the feedback form. Just click it and fill the feedback form. So any question, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. In the absence of none, don't forget, try to fill the feedback form and let's get the feedback from you. So if you are ready for Saturday class, can you type yes? If you are ready for Saturday class, 9 p.m., can you type yes? If you are ready for Saturday class, can you type yes? If you are ready for Saturday class, can you type yes in the comment section before we say goodbye tonight? Type yes in the comment section. So Saturday, we want to come back and see how we can use virtual instructional assessment form. How can you design your Google form for your student? How can you do a quiz for your student? How can you design quiz for your student? How can you design what else again? Use Google form, design quiz, many other assessment form. That is what we'll be using our Saturday to do. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask your question. You are free to ask question now. Can all of this be done on Android phone? You can do some on Android phone, some cannot be. You cannot use Android phone to do them. And that is why we always encourage you that when you are coming into the class, make sure you have your laptop. So thank you very much. See all of you Saturday evening, 9 p.m. by God's grace. You can stay back if you still have any question to ask. You can drop your question. Yes, we'll be talking about questionnaire. How can you use Google Form to design your questionnaire? That's what we'll be using our Saturday evening to do. So if you go to your Owambe, make sure you come back from Owambe on time, and we'll meet on Saturday, 9 p.m. by God's grace. Of course, we definitely get notification once we are ready for the Saturday class. Thank you very much. See all of you on Saturday. Bye for now.